Good morning, everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss some made disaster. ये आपका यूनिट 3 चल रहा है, लेक्चर नंबर 7 एंड नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नंबर 8। दो लेक्चर और रह गए, तो हम इसको समझते हैं मैन मेड डिजास्टर। इकोनॉमिक कोलैप्स एट दिस पॉइंट, नो वन इज रियली श्योर व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट। However, with the constant influx of federal money flooding the economy, inflation is going to impact consumers. It is just a matter of when it could even lead to hyperinflation. What is hyperinflation की अगर हम बात करें, hyperinflation occurs when there is a large increase in money supply that is not supported by gross domestic product GDP growth, meaning actual manufacturing in the marketplace. This results in imbalance in the supply and demand for the money. This has continued for years, and if someone doesn't change soon, it could lead to major financial disaster by causing prices to increase because the dollar will lose its value ना। ये सिंपल सा इसमें मैंने जीडीपी ग्रोथ के बाद जो इन्फ्लेशन होता है उसको बताया है। इकोनॉमी की टर्म्स इकोनॉमिकली ये टर्म्स हैं जिसमें जीडीपी ग्रोथ से कहीं ना कहीं जो कंट्री रहती है उसकी ग्रोथ काउंट हम करते हैं। हाउ टू सर्वाइव अगर देखेंगे, मेक एलिमिनेटिंग डेब्ट एंड इंक्रीजिंग एसेट्स और योर फर्स्ट गोल। गेट आउट ऑफ डेब्ट एंड स्टे आउट ऑफ डेब्ट इफ नेसेसरी। गेट debt counseling but reduce your debt as quickly as possible. Consider selling any valuable items that you do not need any do so as soon as possible while you still have buyers. Increase assets as you are able. Concentrate on items that your family would need to survive: water, food, personal items, hunting gears, and personal protection. Alternative currencies such as the gold or सिल्वर। नेक्स्ट स्टेप अगर हम देखेंगे तो असेंबल और परचेज अ कंप्लीट फर्स्ट एड किट एंड स्विंग किट। टेक अप मैनी training classes that you can such a wilderness survival and DCPR. Get to know your never. If things get really bad, you might be dependent on each other for survival. Become as self-sufficient as you can. Learn how to grow your own vegetable. Learn about sustainability. You can raise chicken. Collect your run of rainwater in rainwater collection barrel. Can your vegetable and use a portable solar oven to cook your food. Learn how to water useful items to water with our basic necessities such as clothing, shoe, blanket, soaps, ammunition, and don't forget specialty items such as the coffee, chocolate, tobacco, and alcohol. Terrorist attack. Everyone must be aware that terrorist attack may occur at any time at any country of the world. No country is safe. However, several countries have an extensive record of terrorism. Afghanistan, India, Iraq, and Pakistan among them. In other countries, the threat of terrorism remains especially high. It is the case in Western Europe, North America, Africa, North America, Asia Pacific, and Middle East. Terrorism is the use of force or violence against personal or property in violence of the criminal laws of the United States for purpose of intimidation, coercion, and ransom. Terrorists often use threat to create fear among the public, as seen in the still relevant article published by CBS Chicago a couple of years ago. Try to convince citizens that their government is powerless to prevent terrorism. Get immediate publicity for these causes. Acts of terrorism include threat of terrorism, assassination, kidnappings, hijackings, bombs, scares, and bombing, cyber attacks, computer waste, and the use of chemical, biological, nuclear, and radiological weapons. High risk target for act of terrorism include military and civilian government facilities, include international airports, large cities, and high profile landmarks. Terrorists might also target large public gatherings, water and food supplies, utilities, and corporate center. Further, terrorists are capable of spreading fear by sending explosive or chemical or biological एजेंट थ्रू द ईमेल। इस तो हम टेररिस्ट का ये भी एक तरह का हज़ार्ड्स काउंट में ही करते हैं इसको। टेररिस्ट की जो एक्टिविटीज़ रहती हैं कि कैसे वो चीज़ों को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, जहाँ लार्ज गैदरिंग ऑफ पीपल होती है, उनको फूड सप्लाई, वाटर सप्लाई, इन सारी चीज़ों को वो कहीं ना कहीं अफेक्ट करते हैं। एक्ट ऑफ टेरर इंक्लूड मिलिट्री एंड सिविलियन गवर्नमेंट फैसिलिटीज़ है ना, इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स पे, लार्ज सिटीज़, हाई प्रोफाइल जो लैंडमार्क होते हैं उन सब में ये कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट करते हैं। विद इन द इमीडिएट एरिया ऑफ टेररिस्ट अटैक यू वुड नीड टू रिले ऑन पुलिस, fire and other officials for instructions. However, you can prepare in much the same way you would prepare for the other crisis event. General safety guidelines: be aware of your surrounding will help you the most. Move you leave if you feel uncomfortable or if something does not seem right. Take precautions and traveling. Be aware of conspicuous or unusual behavior. Do not accept package from stranger. Do not leave luggage unattended. You should promptly report unusual behavior, suspicious or unattended package, and strange device to the police or security personnel. Learn where emergency exits are located in buildings. Your frequent plan how to get out the event of the emergency. Be prepared to do without service you normally depend on: electricity, telephone, natural gas, gasoline pumps, cash registers, ATM or internet transaction. Nuclear accident: a nuclear accident is still possible even though in constructions and operations of nuclear power plants are closely monitored and regulated by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Emergency response plans are local and state governments, federal agencies, and the electric utilities have emergency response plan in the event of nuclear incident. The United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission regulates commercial nuclear power plants within the U.S. The emergency response plan defines two emergency planning zones. One zones cover an area within the 10 miles radius of plants where it is possible that people could be harmed by direct radiation exposure. The second zone cover a broad area, usually up to 550 miles radius from the plant, where radioactive materials could contaminate water supply, food, crops, and livestock. तो इस लेक्चर में मैंने आपको सिंपल सा जो कुछ क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में बताया, कहीं ना कहीं टेररिज्म को बताया, है ना, जो न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स रहते हैं उनके बारे में बताया। तो ये भी एक तरह का इनका भी उनकी सेफ्टी के लिए भी हम सारे मेजर्स को काउंट करते हैं। थैंक यू।